Hi lovelies, are you looking for a breakfast idea that uses zero electricity, zero energy, and is also time saving? This means that you don't have to do much in the morning. You just have to open your refrigerator and grab your breakfast. And guess what? It's also packed with lots of nutrients that your body needs to start the day. So guys, today I'm going to be showing you that awesome recipe, and it is how to make overnight oats. So to get this recipes and all the ingredients I'll be using, you have to watch this video to the end, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you guys. Let's get into the cooking. For my overnight oats, I have a list of ingredients over here that I'll be using. First, I have a half cup of milk, and I also have 3 tablespoons of yogurt. I have flax seed, and I have a pinch of salt. I also have some cinnamon powder. I have my oats here. I'm using instant oats for this recipe, and I also have some honey, and I have chia seed, and I have here my dry fruits. So you can refer to the description to see the measurements and the ingredients well listed. So we'll dive into the preparation, the first step of making your overnight oats. Okay, all you need is a clean bowl, and then you start by pouring in your ingredients. I'm going to start by pouring in my milk, followed by my Greek yogurt, and then I'm going with my honey, my salt, cinnamon powder. I'm going to give this a stir just so that everything combines. It's a very simple process, and it's already smelling really nice. I like the aroma the cinnamon adds to it. Then next I'll be going in with my fruits, and then I'll go in with my dry ingredients. That's the flax seed and the chia seed. I'm also going to give this a mix. Lastly, I'll be going in with my oats. Like I mentioned earlier, I'm using instant oats, and this is the result. Once you're done with that, just cover your plate with a good lid and set it aside in your refrigerator. Leave it there overnight. We're going to continue this video tomorrow, so stay tuned. It's the next morning. Let's see how our oats looks. It looks amazing, but we are actually going to give it a touch. We are going to be topping it with some veggies. I have some grapes, I also have some strawberry, and I have some blueberries. You can use any fruits that you have available. I'm going to slice my... So for the grapes, I'll be plucking them off the roots, and then I'll just go ahead to slice this. So next I'm going to be adding my fruits. I'll start with the blueberries, and I'll start with the strawberry. If you're not really a lover of so much fruits, then you don't have to use a lot of fruits like I did here. So I'm going to give this a good mix. Can you see? It doesn't even look like we have so much fruits. I think I'll have to add the rest of the grapes. My overnight oats is ready. I'm so excited. I'm going to test this. So guys, let's test together. Just come close. I'm going to tell you what this tastes like by the time I'm done. Can you see? I'm picking all the fruits that are in here. So let's eat together. Oh my god, this is nice. Like, I'm serving all the fruits in here. Like the combination of different fruits, the oats is well melted. Like it's really nice. It's amazing. I recommend you try this. Even if you're not a fan of oats, please try this recipe. This is the best oats recipe I have had. So guys, Try this recipe this weekend. Make it for your kids, make it for yourself. Just give yourself a treat this weekend. Make this in the evening, have it the next morning. Less stressful, you know. You have all the time to do other things. And don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section, and also please like, subscribe, and share to your friends, loved ones, everybody that you know would love this recipe. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye. Love you too.